Solo travel is one of the fastest growing travel trends right now. People want freedom, flexibility, and experiences that aren't tied to someone else's schedule. But let's be real, traveling alone can get expensive and stressful if you don't plan it right. Now imagine turning those hacks and money saving tricks into a blog post. Normally, that would take hours of research, writing, formatting, and SEO. But with autoblogging.ai, it takes less than 3 minutes, and let me show you how. Here's the blog that I generated in under minutes. It's SEO ready, structured with proper headings, images added, even infographics added with FAQs, and all of it done automatically. And let me show you how I did this. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because I like here as it guides me through each setting clearly so I don't miss on anything. Article title, I'm going to type here 7 solo travel hacks that saves you money and stress. Next, article language. Now, autoblogging supports 30 different languages. That means if your readers are in Spanish, French, German, Hindi, or any of the other, you can generate the same blog for them instantly. But here I'm going with English. Next, article length. For this blog, I'm going to go with medium because since hacks should be explained clearly but not dragged out, but short is like a quick and a straight to the point update, and long is full in-depth articles that are great for SEO. Next, type of article. Now here's where you set the blog structure. Informative builds a step-by-step explanation article. Listicle turns into a numbered points. Places organizes the blog by destinations or regions, and service by landing page creates a format for promoting service or offers. For this one, I'm going to go with listicle because hacks works best when they're broken into clear points. Next, for the tone of voice, I'm going to go with second person so the article feels like it's giving direct tips to the traveler. First person is writing your own personal experience, and third person is more neutral and formal. Next, writing style. Here I'm going to go with conversational because solo travel content should feel approachable and easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Auto is where AI choose the most appropriate style based on your article topic. Less AI words makes the blog sounds more natural. Premium style one is formatted with SEO in mind. Snippet optimizer is designed to help rank in Google's featured snippet. Witty adds a more casual and a playful tone in the blog. And professional is more polished, good for B2B brands. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intents optimize article. It strengthens headings and keywords so search engine can understand your blog better. FAQs will pull in real questions people are searching about solo travel and adds them with the answer. AI images generate relevant visuals and place them in with proper alt text. An infographic creates a quick visuals or summary chart easier for reading. Next, SERP analysis. Now this is like having a Google search done for you. Normally you would check the top blogs ranking for solo travel, see what topics they cover, and then plan your structure around that. Here, autoblogging does it automatically. It scans the top ranking results, figure out what's working best, and builds your article using those proven structure. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type in how you want your article to be. And you can also select the location where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition copies the section flow of high ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted sites. YouTube video will add a relevant video straight into the blog so the readers get engaged more. And key takeaways add a short summary box at the end for the readers who skim. Next, AI proofreading. Now this fixes the grammar and flow so you don't need to edit anything manually here. You just have to enable this and leave a note here. Next, internal linking. Now this is a great feature for SEO. If you already have blogs on topics like budget travel or travel safety, you just have to enable this and drop in your domain here. Autoblogging will automatically link those posts inside this new article. That keeps readers on your site longer and helps your site rank higher on Google. Next, human proofreading. And if you would like a real editor to check accuracy or fact checks, and you just have to enable this and leave a guideline here. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credit which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and click on the view like icon here. Blog is ready with SEO structured, filled with proper headlines, images, and infographics. And if you scroll down, there's a relevant YouTube video with FAQs. Now, if you want to be faster next time, here's what you can do. Go to Quick and Single and just enter your blog title here, and with a fewer clicks you can generate an article. It is just as same as Wizard, and you can also use a bulk generate option which allows you to upload 10, 50 or even 100 titles at once, and autoblogging will make all of them and even auto post them to WordPress directly. Solo travel is about freedom and ease, and now your blogging can be the same. With autoblogging.ai, you can generate SEO ready travel blogs in under minutes. And if you don't want to go through these steps, you can try a done for you blog service where we'll handle it for you. Just share us the topic and we'll deliver the finished blog. If you found this helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and tell me your favorite solo travel hack in the comments.